Are you looking for a highly equipped, compact vehicle with all the right options and reliability? Well, take a look at this 2017 Honda Fit EXL in modern steel metallic. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, sport spoiler, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, low mileage, Honda satellite linked navigation system, rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3142C.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.